I'm going to show you how to pair and connect a pair of Beats Solo buds directly to your iPhone via Bluetooth. Make sure the buds are in the case. Go ahead and open that up. And now I hear a little beep. I think it's connected to one of my other phones here. So I want to put this in pairing mode, okay? How you put it in pairing mode? You have a button on each one of these, okay? Oops. On each one of these, okay? All you got to do is press down, hold one of these, okay? I'll just do the right side here, okay? There's a button on top, okay? I can push it, I can feel it, okay? So let me just do one side here. I'm going to press and hold, ready, set, go. I'm just going to keep holding now and just wait, holding. Now when you hear that sound, it is in pairing mode, okay? So if this window here pops up, perfect. Go ahead and tap on connect. If this window doesn't pop up, sometimes it doesn't, just simply go to your settings and then just go to Bluetooth, and now it should show up under devices, Beats Solo buds right there. Let's tap on that right there. Wait for it to connect, and you can see that we are now connected. You have issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look in the description below.